Hi friends, in this video I am again with a wonderful WordPress theme, and it is especially for bloggers, and this is the add-in blog WordPress theme, and this is actually a very simple WordPress theme I have seen ever, and this is why I have selected this theme to be on this channel, because many of you may be looking for a simple blog WordPress theme to start with your blogging and the blogging profession, or you can say a hobby. So this is a very simple blog WordPress theme, and in this video we are going to install add-in blog WordPress theme, and we will also preview the theme options and all rest of options what we are going to get in this installation. Add-in blog is a WordPress blog theme, as I said, and it is really great WordPress theme, as it comes with many features as you need for your blogging website, and the theme was developed in 2016 and regular updates for this theme is also being done. The theme has been developed by Infinity Themes, and they are good, of course, so they make wonderful website WordPress theme. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress with me, in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got a theme pack add-in. So in the theme pack I have demo content, documentation, licensing, and the main theme file and the child theme file. Let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the themes section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose add-in.zip file, and if we are having direct access on our server we can upload the same file to the WP content themes folder, and I am doing the same. I'll show you the theme file size in this manner, and it is amazing. The theme file size is just 1 MB. I have never seen this. So it is absolutely low weight WordPress theme, and it got uploaded in just few seconds, and it is going to work very fast on your website as well. So once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this add-in folder in which we got all the theme components. So now we can delete the zip one as we have already extracted from it, and now we are fine to go in the theme section of WordPress again, and we have now add-in as another theme option, and this is add-in version 3.1.7, and it is easy, fast, creative blog. Okay, so we can activate it now. Upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins for using this theme, and these are the steps. So first of all we need to install the plugins, and we can go for theme settings, demo content afterwards. So let us see what list we have got in the plugin list, and this is the list, and there is only one plugin which is required, rest are recommended only. But what I'll do, I'll install all the plugins as I need to showcase all the features to you, and you can choose not to install if anything is not required to you, and all the plugins has been installed in seconds. So if you are ordering this theme at the WP Themes website, I am giving the link of my website in the description of this video. You shall be getting the same capacity server if you are bundling the theme with the hosting as well. Otherwise you can have the theme only option as well, so it is up to you. And now all the plugins has been installed, and now we can activate the installed plugins. This can also be done in a single click in fact, so I don't know install why this screen has appeared. So what I'll do, I'll go to the plugin section again, and okay, so all has been already activated. One click demo import is remaining deactivated, and Smash Balloon Instagram. Okay, so I was just checking what remained, and we have already activated the 8, and one is mine, it is not for you. So okay, fine. So we got all the plugins installed, and along with the theme, and we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is the basic look of Addenblog WordPress theme, and we need to go for certain setup at this stage. But first I'll try to import the demo content if it is really available in the theme pack, and I have to go in the appearance section for this, and import demo data option is there, and this is the import option, and this is having only one key, so I'm just clicking on this. Import demo data is here, and I'm not selecting for these plugin, and just continuing, and the importing content has started, and it will take a few minutes as it is going to connect the developer server, and it is going to download the media files. So you have to be here on this screen without refreshing or leaving this. Okay, so you will reach on this screen. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully, and now we can begin the editing our website. Meanwhile, we can take a look of our website as well. So it is here, and all the contents is here, is as we seen in the demo, and it was really a smooth installation, and website is completely ready for putting the original content, and we have to do nothing at this stage except the putting our content, logo files and images and all such things. So it is good, of course. So as I said, this is a very fast loading blog theme, and it is just loading in seconds, blazing fast speed, of course. And now I'll show you the theme panel, theme options, if it is if anything additional is available in the theme panel. So this is the add in theme option, and we can start customizing from here, and there is no other options, so we have to work with this, the start customizing option, and it is of course going to navigate in the default WordPress customizer. And here are the options. The color option, of course we can change the color of top bar, main menu, general, and all such colors can be changed from this here. And it is the header, and you can upload logo from here, the setup logo, and even logo width and height can be adjusted. Carousel, content, footer, social media, menus, widgets, homepage setting, additional CSS and site identity. So these are the things. And on the blog website, as you know, all the elements come from the post itself, so I have nothing to show in the page edit options. So all is set here, and you can of course change the page layout, but I'll show you what pages we got. So these are the pages. In fact, we cannot change the page layout. I mean, the layout of this default layout will remain the same. Just once we upload our own blog, I mean publish our post, it will be changed, of course, because we are going to add images and rest of things, so it will come in a change mode. So in this video we have completed the installation of Add-on-Blog WordPress theme, and it is really nice, and I believe you are going to create a wonderful blog website using this theme. And our final website is here. You might have any questions regarding this theme, just feel free to write me in the comment section of this video, and you can get in touch directly with me by following the link given in the description of this video, and you can get this theme there on that link only. So keep watching. I am going to bring wonderful plugins, themes and utilities for you. Thank you.